Class of 2021 seniors and parents, do you need a plan? WVJC has options. West Virginia Junior College, with campuses in Morgantown, Bridgeport, Charleston, and online, offers customizable career training options that allow your education to fit with your life. In less than 2 years, with our accelerated and flexible training program, you can be experiencing a rewarding new career and enjoying the benefits of a whole new, more valuable you. WVJC offers fast-track career training options available in the expanding fields of nursing, healthcare, and professional services. Our direct admission nursing program means you'll start the path to your nursing career on day one. No need to waste time and money taking classes that aren't necessary. This means you'll earn your degree and take your licensing exam so you can enter the workforce sooner. Our fast-track healthcare services training will prepare you for the joy of helping others with a career that will improve your life and the lives of those you love. Work in the ever-growing medical field and be an essential part of a medical team. Our professional services programs will prepare you to work in areas such as business, human resources, and cybersecurity. Unlock your potential with these fast-track programs and receive hands-on training in your classes and professional experience with an externship. Right now, we are waiving enrollment fees, extending scholarship deadlines, and doing everything we can to make starting on the path to your future easier than ever. With tailored one-on-one instruction, hands-on labs, 4-day class schedules, extensive career services, in-person or online options, and the potential for scholarships and financial assistance, WVJC offers you the resources and flexibility to ensure a successful transition from high school to higher education. Learn more about the exciting opportunities waiting for you at WVJC. Complete the form to speak to one of our admissions advisors to schedule a campus or virtual tour today.